This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing friction. Clear your desk and phone notifications now, then set a 25-30-minute block. Next, define one clear outcome. What will success look like at the end of this block and how you'll measure it? Once done, assemble only the tools you need. A single notebook, the primary reference, and a timer. This reduces switching costs. You'll start with a focused attempt immediately because momentum hinges on small, decisive first steps. You now enter sustained focus by using timed intervals, 25 to 50 minutes of work with short breaks to reset attention. During each interval, aim to produce 1 to 3 concrete results and write them down. This makes progress visible and motivates continuation. Make sure to monitor interruptions and explicitly remove or defer low-value tasks as they arise. If energy wanes, shorten the next interval rather than stopping. Incremental adjustments. You finish by doing a 5-minute review. Capture what you completed, what remains, and the immediate next step. This creates a seamless restart. If you hit a block, change modality for 10 minutes. Take a short walk, sketch ideas, or record a voice memo to shift perspective and dislodge stuck thinking. Make sure to apply one corrective rule before the next session. Remove one identified distraction source, because small structural fixes prevent repeated derailment and preserve your newly established focus habit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.